So this is how you get rid of all the women's hair in your house on the bottom of a vacuum.
Okay.
You have to have a Phillips screwdriver. See how you just twist it and these screws come off really easy. I always try to keep them in order from where they came, although it doesn't matter because they're all the same. But it's a good habit in case you have different size screws. Like that.
Ew.
Yeah. Right? So you got this initial nastiness. We'll just put it on the floor because we're gonna have to vacuum it up anyway.
Mm.
Or we can just pick it all up when we're done. So this tray's clean. And our little suction hole has a lot of stuff in it too. So there's a belt that's on this right here. These have to go in a special way. They can't go in diagonal. You gotta put in the square head, has to go in the hole. Okay. So we take the belt, we take the belt off and leave it there. And then all this hair we have to cut out.
Yeah, you're cutting it up, I see.
You don't want to cut the bristles so they twist, so you gotta go diagonal around and twist as you go. It's like a wig.
A nasty wig.
We could sell this to someone who needs a wig.
Yeah, and get lice in their hair.
There's not lice in here.
Get a disease.
There's not a disease in here. This is your hair, your own hair, and your mother's hair, and your brother's hair. Just getting a haircut. I should be a hairstylist.
I don't know about that.
You want to be careful too, because I'm pushing the scissors this way. If it slips, it could impale me. Did you want to give it a try?
Not really.
When you get older, you're going to have to do it yourself, because I'm not coming to your house to clean your vacuum spool.
Hire someone. I'll give them $5.
You're probably going to, by the time you get there, it's probably going to be like $100 or $200 for someone to do this for you.
Oh, that's what it's supposed to.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. But within a week, it's probably already partly disappeared. And after a month, you probably can't see the bristles because of all the hair in our house. Just think if we had a dog that shed.
It's worth the cuteness.
It's worth the cuteness. What I wanted to do on my Friday was clean the vacuum. No, I didn't. And if you don't keep this clean, that belt can get strained and break, and then you have to buy a new belt. I grabbed these scissors because they're a little more industrial strength than those over there. Plus, you probably don't want your scissors you use to cut your stuff in your kitchen.
Yeah. Are you not balding? I feel like most people at your age are balding.
Because I didn't get that genetic. I think you get it from your mom's side. So my mom's dad had a lot of hair. As if the smoke wasn't enough, now you got all these dust particles in my nose and I'm biting off sneezes. The Mount Everest of hair. So now, you remember what side goes what way?
The square.
Yep, but does this end go up or down?
Down.
Yeah. Gotta put the belt on, get it in the groove, and then you gotta match the square up and get that in, and then you gotta match this square up and get that one in. And now we put this back on. And then we screw it back in. The hair's trying to screw back in. There's one. There's two. Three. Four. Now we clean up the pile, and then we're done.